Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Pastry Kitchen. Today we are going to make cookies step by step, and also we're going to subscribe, like and click on the notification button so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. So let's begin. So for our ingredients today, we have baking powder, egg whites, butter, flour, milk, vanilla essence, some icing sugar and caster sugar. So for the first step, we're going to add in the butter and caster sugar so that they can beat till fluffy. So the butter is now fluffy and I'm just going to scrape it off a little so that I can add in the icing sugar followed by the egg whites. So now I'm going to add in the vanilla essence. And also I'm going to mix in the baking powder to the flour. Just so that they can mix in well. So now I'm going to add in the flour and the milk bit by bit. So our dough is ready and we are going to put it in the piping bag and a nozzle so that we can pipe out the cookie dough. So first I start by oiling and dusting our baking sheets, but I had already oiled, so it's only dusting. And the reason I do this is so that the cookies don't stick on the baking sheet. So I decided to use a different nozzle and make a different cookie shape. So let's begin. And make sure you always space your cookie dough, because when you put it in the oven, it's going to enlarge a little. So I am done piping the dough in different shapes. Now it's time to put them in the oven, and I'm going to do that for 15 to 20 minutes depending with your oven, and at 180 degrees. So I'm done setting the timer. So let's wait for the outcome. So guys, it's been 20 minutes and our cookies are ready. You can serve them as a snack with either coffee, tea, milk, or juice. Do try the recipe and comment the results down below. And before you go and do that, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is free. Like and click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, bye!